Hello guys, it's Peter from PS Sound, and in this video I'd like to show you what happened last weekend at the biggest event of the season. EMA UK did something very special that hasn't happened for a very long time in UK. They had a 48-hour install challenge, and why it was so special, because there were two teams, a team of 5, Team UK against Team Germany, and they had exactly the same car, the same kit. So, you know, the only thing that the outcome really depended on was the install and the tuning. Also, at the end, the two cars were not judged by the audience, but the cars were put through the competition. They had exactly the same rules as any other car going through EMA rules. So the cars were judged in a sound quality class, in a master sound quality class, as well as an SPR class. And yeah, if you will see, they had very different approach to the install, and you know, kicking an install out in 48 hours without sleeping is just, to be fair, it's nonsense. So it was crazy to see the guys pushing the limits. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you'll be a bit of a mess, sorry for that. I was running around like a headless chicken because the event was very busy. But yeah, have a look. Alrighty, let's record the guys with Vicky. This is now the install battle at Modify Nationals, EMA UK. So what do we have here? We have to explain to people why this is different to any other install battle.
Because they've only got 48 hours to do it.
Well, first of all, yes, they have 48 hours.
Exactly the same kit.
Same kit, same cars.
Yeah.
So we have a 3.2 litre Quattro here. What's left? 18 and 48 minutes. That's all what's left till tomorrow lunch. And there's another one here. So that one over there is Team UK. There's Jim, Sandra. And then this is built by Team Germany. Yeah, it looks pretty mental. So they have to build an SPL setup as well as an SQ setup, and the car will be put through tomorrow afternoon through EMA categories. I think it's Master 5K for sound quality and one of the boot categories for SPL. Yeah, it's pretty crazy what's going on here. It's even funnier for me because I've just finished the TT build, some of you may know. And as I see, the German guys are doing a kick build there. I can definitely see a mid-bass in the kicks there. And that's Lars, representing Team UK. That's it. Just to make it clear. But it looks like, yeah, Germany is doing kick builds for the mid-bass tweeters. Who knows where that's going to be. There's an interesting sub-enclosure there, probably facing forwards. I can't see it from here because I can't go in for that monster GZ sub. Let's see what the British guys do. I can't see kicks, so they probably do a door build. Big sub-enclosure there in the boot. Sub facing up. That's Gavin, just working on the boot. That's Lee from Platinum, that's team captain. And yeah, it's five people building the cars, each car. I don't know how much they've slept yesterday night or how much they are going to sleep this night, but yeah, the car has to be finished. And that's Lee. He's very happy. But at least you were smiling. That's a rare moment. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, we pop back later. We will see the progress tomorrow morning, and yeah, I think it's tomorrow lunchtime.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Yeah, Sunday 12 o'clock. That's when they have to finish the cars. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Here we are, this is now Sunday morning, only 2 hours and 46 minutes left. It looks like now setting up, a bit of tuning is happening in Team UK's. We will see a bit later what the car looks like from inside. And then this is the German side, they are doing setting up as well. I can't see what they're doing on the laptop, but probably doing a bit of RTA and other stuff. But yeah, it looks like they are getting close now. Then run backstage and then I check out what's going on there with the router, because I can hear noise back there. So yeah, I'll walk around. So back here it looks like boot trim panels are being done. A bit of A-pillar fab. At least the weather is good. So yeah, still bits to do. Guys look a bit tired, obviously. Hello Gav, you still arrive? Still alive? It's crazy, absolutely crazy. Alright, so this is the end now. So this is what Team UK have done. They've done door enclosures. Well, sorry, not enclosures, just door build. The nice trim panel for the 6.5. Tweeters. Oh, if I can see that. The bottom of the A-pillar. See that? Front sub for an 8. So that's the SQ side, and then for the SPR, this was their solution. Port facing up. Helix P6 for the SQ, and then a huge wide monoblock for the sub. So that's Team UK in 48 hours. And then this is the German side. So yeah, no door build here. They've gone for kick builds. 8 front sub firing forwards using the floor space as well. Very interesting. And then tweeters just right up there. Very, very interesting. But the Pro of the sub is even more interesting because they kind of shrunk the cabin space by building the enclosure up to the edge of the tailgate. So when the tailgate is shut, it's like pretty much sealed. And then a familiar looking kick build to me. Yeah, it's just a different driver location. Yeah, clever. It's pretty good. And then apparently Team Germany won. I'm not sure how many points with and where UK lost on SQ or SPL, but hopefully I can find it. It's definitely a great effort from both teams. To be able to set up in 48 hours, 5 people though, but still, you know, crazy. With that monster sub. Absolutely mental. So yeah, that's the competition. In UK, well, I've missed the results. I couldn't record it because I had to be on stage as well, but we had 120 something competitors, so it was pretty busy. I'm sure you remember my test. with checking the seal on the enclosure. Look at it. It comes back very quick. There's no vacuum in it, so it's not sealed properly. But to be fair, to build anything like this within 48 hours, the whole car is just crazy. But at least the location is good. To each other, so they are in a vertical, straight line. I can see where it might have been better on SQ. Yeah. Pretty cool. I hope you liked the video. Please let me know what you think about it, because yeah, it was probably the first video I was trying to take on site. Also, please check out the description under the video, because you find the link there to my Facebook page, where you can find many pictures of the event, pictures of sound quality in SPR cars, as well as a few pictures of this install. And then also, please let me know what you want to see next, because I know I owe so many of you. I haven't finished the video from the Eurofinals. I have like 25 videos I have to edit and put together to like a trip movie to show you what this whole competition thing is about and what happens at the very highest level when you go to Eurofinals. Also, I know that I owe you with the final video of the door build I had in this Honda, because someone just dropped me a line the other day that, you know, where's part 4? I promised it, and that was now 4 months ago. But yeah, please let me know what you want to see, and I'm gonna try my best to do it so. And I know that by time I get to the point where I can just do it, let's say full time, and then I can kick out more and more videos, because well, I can only just hope that you guys you like what I'm doing. So yeah, let's see what you think about this video, and then hopefully I speak to you soon.